Having commenced the inquiry at designated place and designated date and designated time as decided by the inquiry officer. Now, it is for the presenting officer to formally initiate the process of the inquiry. The presenting officer has to first file the document showing that he is the duly authorized person by the management to represent the case on behalf of the management before the inquiry officer in the said inquiry. In this regard, he has to file the necessary document before the inquiry officer, which the inquiry officer takes cognizance of the same and asks the presenting officer to initiate the inquiry. Thereafter, the presenting officer shall file the relevant documents like the complaint received from the section in charge against the delinquent employee or the workman. Similarly, the show cause notice issued to him, and similarly the acknowledgement of the show cause notice by the employee and the explanation submitted by the employee in response to the show cause notice, and also the copy of the letter written by the employer to the delinquent employee saying that the explanation so submitted is unsatisfactory and inquiry would be conducted, that is with regard to the information of the inquiry, and the formal charge sheet that is issued to the delinquent employee, and thereafter the appointment of an inquiry officer informing that inquiry officer so appointed. All these details are required to be with copies of the documents required to be filed before the inquiry officer, and request the inquiry officer to mark them as exhibits to be taken as an evidence.